If you're planning to become a licensed electrician in North Dakota in 2026, this video breaks down exactly what you need to know before you apply. And here's something important. North Dakota does not use PSI for its electrical licensing exams. The state electrical board administers its exams in-house. In this video, we'll cover the requirements for Journeyman, Class B, and Master Electrician licenses, walk through the application process, and explain how the exam works. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a discount code you can use on your exam prep. Electrical licensing in North Dakota is handled by the North Dakota State Electrical Board located in Bismarck. The board licenses several categories of electricians, including apprentices, Class B electricians, journeyman electricians, master electricians, and power limited electricians. Now, one thing that makes North Dakota different is how the testing process works. The NDSEB administers its own exams in-house, which means there are no PSI portal and no third-party testing center involved. Instead, you submit your application directly to the board. Once your application is reviewed and accepted, the board sends you an invitation with available test dates. From there, you'll schedule your exam and take it at the board's office in Bismarck. Renewals are also handled by the board, and the deadlines depend on your license type. Apprentice renewals are due by January 31st, journeyman renewals are due by March 31st, and master electrician renewals are due by April 30th. So before you apply or renew, make sure you're working directly through the North Dakota State Electrical Board and follow the correct deadline for your license. North Dakota's electrical exam is based on the 2023 National Electrical Code, along with North Dakota's own laws, rules, and wiring standards. The exam is split into two parts. The first part is a 1-hour closed book section, which means no references are allowed. The second is a 3.5-hour open book section. For that portion, you'll bring your own code book and it can be annotated. One important note for 2026, effective May 1st, 2026, North Dakota continuing education courses shift to the 2026 National Electrical Code. That does not automatically mean the licensing exam changes on that same date. So before you schedule, confirm the current exam edition directly with the North Dakota State Electrical Board. North Dakota has four main electrical license types you'll want to understand. First is the apprentice electrician. Apprentices must register with the state electrical board and work under direct supervision while gaining the required field experience. Next is the Class B electrician license. This license requires 3,000 hours of experience in residential and farmstead wiring, but it's important to know that Class B does not include commercial electrical work. Then there's the journeyman electrician license, which is the full working credential. To qualify, you'll need 8,000 hours of experience over at least 3 years plus 576 hours of classroom instruction. That experience must be gained while working under a licensed master electrician. Finally, there's the master electrician license. To qualify for the master, you'll need 1,000 hours of experience as a licensed journeyman electrician. North Dakota also separates master electricians into three subtypes: contracting master, master of record, and maintenance master. So before you apply, make sure you're choosing the license type that matches the kind of work you've done and the kind of work you plan to perform. To qualify for a journeyman electrician license in North Dakota, you'll need to meet a few key requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, have a high school diploma or GED, complete 8,000 hours of electrical experience over at least 3 years, and finish 576 hours of classroom instruction. Now, this next point is critical. Your apprentice hours only count if you were properly registered with the North Dakota State Electrical Board at the time you work them. If you work apprentice hours while unregistered, those hours will not count toward your journeyman license. And apprentice registration has to be renewed every year by January 31st. Miss that renewal deadline, and any hours worked while your registration is expired are gone for good. So if you're an apprentice, keep your registration active, track your hours carefully, and don't let a missed renewal cost you time towards your license. To qualify for a master electrician license in North Dakota, you'll need at least 1 year or 2,000 hours of experience as a licensed journeyman electrician. You'll also need to pass the North Dakota State Electrical Board Master Electrician exam. Now, North Dakota has 3 different master license subtypes, and each one has a different scope. The first is a contracting master. A contracting master can independently contract electrical work, supervise electrical installations, and pull permits. This license type also requires the electrician to carry their own liability insurance. The second is a master of record. A master of record is tied to a specific company, plant, institution, or organization. Their authority is limited to electrical work performed on that entity's property. The third is a maintenance master. A maintenance master works under a contracting master or master of record. This role carries journeyman level responsibility, but it does not allow the electrician to independently contract electrical work. So when applying for a master license, make sure you choose the subtype that matches how you plan to work in North Dakota. Before you start working as an electrical apprentice in North Dakota, make sure you register with the state electrical board before your first day on the job. That's because any hours worked while you're unregistered will not count towards your license. From there, you'll build your required work experience, keep your registration active, and track your hours carefully. When you're ready to apply, you'll submit your application along with your employment verification form. Once the board reviews and approves your application, they'll mail you an exam invitation with available test dates. You must take the exam within 6 months of that invitation, and the exam is administered in the house at the NDSEB office in Bismarck. Now, North Dakota fees are some of the lowest around. For journeyman electricians, the license fee is $25 and the exam fee is also $25. For master electricians, the license fee is $50 and the exam fee is $50. So the process is straightforward, but timing matters. Register early, keep your paperwork current, and don't miss your testing window. The North Dakota electrical exam is split into two parts. First, you'll take a 1 hour closed book section. For this part, no reference books are allowed. And after that, you'll move into the open book section, which lasts 3.5 hours. For the open book portion, you're allowed to bring in your own annotated 2023 National Electrical Code along with a calculator. To pass the exam, you'll need a score of at least 70%. If you score between 60 and 69%, you may be able to retake the exam immediately. If you score between 50 and 59%, you'll have to wait 3 months before testing. And remember, once you receive your exam invitation from the board, you must take the exam within 6 months. So when you get that invitation, don't wait too long to schedule and make sure your code book is ready before exam day. All licensed electricians in North Dakota must complete 8 hours in continuing education every year. At least half of those hours must cover the current National Electrical Code. Starting May 1st, 2026, continuing education courses shift to the 2026 NEC, so make sure your course is based on the current code cycle before you enroll. Another important note, your continuing education provider reports your attendance directly to the North Dakota State Electrical Board. That means you do not self-submit certificates to the board. Renewal deadlines also depend on your license type. Apprentices are January 31st, journeyman March 31st, and masters April 30th. North Dakota is part of NERA, the National Electrical Reciprocal License, which makes it one of the more reciprocal-friendly states for journeyman electricians. For master electricians, North Dakota has reciprocity with Minnesota and South Dakota. For journeyman electricians, reciprocity extends to several additional states, which are shown here on the screen. To qualify for reciprocity, your license must be current and in good standing. It must also have been earned by passing a state electrical exam, not simply by waiver or grandfathering. You'll also need the required work experience, 8,000 hours for a journeyman and 10,000 hours for a master. And there's one more important requirement. The majority of your qualifying experience cannot be based solely on work performed in North Dakota. So if you're already licensed in another state, North Dakota may offer a faster path, but you'll need to meet the board's reciprocity rules before applying. Let's do a quick recap. So for a Class B electrician license, you'll need 3,000 hours of residential and farmstead wiring experience, and the renewal fee is $40. For a journeyman electrician, you'll need the 8,000 hours of experience plus the 576 hours of classroom instruction. For the master, you'll need the 2,000 hours of experience as a licensed journeyman. All three license types use the same format, a 1 hour closed book and followed by a 3.5 hour open book. And again, you'll need a 70% to pass. And that brings me to the discount code I promised earlier. If you're getting ready for the North Dakota Electrician exam, use code 2026ND at checkout on oneexamprep.com to get 15% off any of the North Dakota Electrician exam prep packages. Again, that's code 2026ND for 15% off. Make sure you're studying the right material, practicing before exam day, and giving yourself the best chance to pass the first time. If you're preparing for the North Dakota Class B, Journeyman, or Master Electrician exam, check the links below. At One Exam Prep, we offer North Dakota-specific exam prep built around the current NEC with practice exams and study resources to help you prepare for both the closed book and open book portions of the test. And don't forget to use code 2026ND at checkout at oneexamprep.com for 15% off your North Dakota Electrician exam prep package. Subscribe to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel for more state-by-state licensing breakdowns, exam prep tips, and contractor licensing updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.